Good morning, students. The next experiment is measurement of thread parameters using 2-wire and 3-wire methods. Aim of the experiment is to measure and calculate the effective diameter of screw thread by 2 and 3-wire methods. Apparatus or instrument required to conduct this experiment is micrometer with flanged anvils, micrometer with stand, small diameter, wires, profile projector, and board specimen. Yeah, this diagram shows the measurement of effective diameter of a screw thread by using 3-wire method. Then the tabular, let we move on to the tabular column. The tabular column consists of these parameters. In first column serial number, second column threaded specimen, that is specimen 1 M11 thread plug gauge, specimen 2 M7 thread plug gauge, and specimen 3, that is bolt. Then third column represents wire diameter chosen, that is represented by small d. Then diameter measured on top of wires, represented by m, which is unit is mm. Pitch of threads, then angle of threads, effective diameter, and best wire size diameter. These are all the parameters we have to find in order to calculate the effective diameter of a screw thread. Let we move on to the how to conduct the experiment. First we take the specimen. First we have to find out the pitch for the specimen. That is the pitch for the specimen is 1.5. Angle will be 60 degree. And diameter over the wire will be 10.78 mm. And the formula for to find out the best wire size is equal to p by 2 into secant theta by 2. We have to substitute the value of pitch theta in that formula, and you have to find and get the value of best wire size. For the we obtain the best wire size. Nearer to best wire size, we select the size from the
to measure the effective diameter of a given thread by using 2-wire or 3-wire method. So initially we have to find out the pitch of the thread and thread angle by using a profile projector. See, this is the specimen. So first we have to find out the pitch and the thread angle. So we know this pitch, it is 1.5 mm and the angle is 60 degree. So first we have to find out the best wire size by using angle and the pitch. So the best wire size is equal to p by 2 into secant theta by 2. P, where p is the pitch of the thread, theta is the angle of a thread. So by substituting p is equal to 1.5 into divided by 2 into secant theta, theta is 60 divided by 2. You have to find out the best wire size. So you will get some wire size. So it is the best wire size. It is not available in our exact size is not available. So we have 0.1702 2.025. We have to select the wire size in such that it should almost near to the best wire size. Almost near to the best wire size. So in this specimen, the best wire size is 0.866. By calculating the best wire size, pitch is 1.5, theta is 60 degrees. The best wire size is 0.866. So though we don't have 0.866, we can select 0.895 thread wire size. The wire size is 0.895. So here this is a flange micrometer. It is almost similar to the normal micrometer. It is flange micrometer. Why it is called flange micrometer means at the anvil as well as the plunger end we have flange. So this is anvil side also, it has a flange. This plunger side also it has flange. That's why it's called flange micrometer. Now we keep this one between the flange, keep the specimen between the flange and inside wire on opposite side. So if you keep two wires opposite, it is two wire method. If we keep one more wire, it is three wire method. If you keep two wires opposite, it is a two wire method. If we keep one side one wire, opposite side two wire, it means three wire method. Now you find out the diameter. So it gives almost a 10.7 10.76. It gives you 10.76. So this is the diameter over the wire. So this 10.76, whatever the reading we got, it is diameter over the wire. It is M. The formula it is M. So effective diameter is equal to M minus D into 1 by cosecant theta by 2 plus P by 2 into cot theta by 2. By substituting the values to this formula, you will get the effective diameter, where M is equal to diameter over the wire, D is the diameter of the wire. So cosecant theta means the theta is equal to 60 degrees. So by applying this readings to the formula, you can find out the effective diameter of a given screw thread.